Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. This Sunday is the beginning of my week, where most people start their work week on Monday. I've already been shopping. This has been the shortest shopping list I have had in since April of 2023, I think. I chose wisely in recipes. I've got a pretty okay stocked cold box, and my pantry is pretty well stocked. Plus, it's the end of the month. Yeah. All right. Last night, I'm going to slaughter the name of this dish again. Molikia. It's Japanese. Molikia stew. It's a Japanese stew. It starts off by you building a very simple stock, just chicken legs or dark meat chicken and water. That's it. Very light, very nice and clear. This dish is excellent. The one thing that it has that you probably have to order online or order it from me, from Casual Chef, is the 7-spice blend. It really needs it, because that's basically the only spice. The only other spice I use, actually technically a mineral, is salt. There's no other pepper. This is really good. Now, I thought I had 6 chicken legs. I only had 4, so I added 2 chicken thighs to the mix. It doesn't really say in the recipe or in the method to shred the chicken. I did. Definitely going to get this one up online for you. This is a good one. If my cookbook already hadn't basically be ready to publish, I would add this one. That's how good it is. All right. We're going deja vu of deja vu for tonight. 3rd time's the charm. Robin is feeling much better. I talked to her last night after she got back from the Bay Area. She was too tired to type and text, so she just called me. So we talked on the phone. It's my meatloaf, potato Lyonnaise, and something I'm going to do with green peas. Let's take a look again. All right, we got some hardware going. The super shallow dish for the potato Lyonnaise. I love building this because it's fun. A loaf pan for the meatloaf. You don't have to do it in a loaf pan. I just happen to do it. I've done it several different ways. A small little sauce pot for the peas. And because I have to render down 2 onions, that's why the saute pan is out. This is the elk I'm using. I'm just about out of elk. So this is just over a pound of elk. This is not the same elk as last week. This is a different one. Of course, some kosher salt, black pepper. You can always figure kosher salt and black pepper in everything I do, except for when recipes don't say not to, like the stew I did last night. I have some leftover red diced onions from just the other day. I'll dice up half of this red bell pepper. 1 egg. A short sleeve of Ritz crackers. I love the fact that Ritz has done this. Some garlic. Seasoning and herbs are basil, oregano, paprika. I'm using a little bit of ground thyme and some Worcestershire sauce. And this will all be topped off, I forgot to pull it out, with a barbecue sauce. For the potato Lyonnaise, it's actually very simple. A couple of onions. The original recipe that I found many months ago basically calls for 1 onion. I've doubled it. It makes more sense. A couple of russet potatoes and lots of butter. And I'll probably top this off with a little bit of shredded cheddar I have in the cold box. The peas, real simple. Frozen green peas, shallot, I'll add some garlic, and I'm going to basically dust this off with a little bit of Romano cheese. And I have my good old slicer dicer mandolin out for the potatoes for the potato Lyonnaise. So that's what I have going on today for tonight. Rob will be coming over about 5. Yeah. So on this Sunday, the beginning of my work week, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.